Wait, read that one, the first there. What's it there?
Oh, salute.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the kitchen
Mm-hmm.
and open
Mm-hmm.
the cabinet
Okay.
from
Read it good. You're memorizing.
and the there
Okay.
the sink.
Okay, so what it says there?
To go in the kitchen
Mm-hmm.
and to open the cabinet and
Under
under
the what?
the sink.
Very good. Okay, go. So where is it?
This.
Okay. So, what you found there? Oh, okay. Show to mommy. That one. Okay, we will read that. Wait.
To the
Mm-hmm.
balcony
Mm-hmm.
and look for the
Mm-hmm. Paper.
paper in the drawer.
Read.
Top
Okay.
drawer
Okay.
from
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm. Right.
right.
Okay, so what does it mean?
To go in the below and
Below. It says below there.
in the balcony and to look for the door and
Look for what?
for the paper
Mm-hmm. In
and
where?
read it and then to
Did it says there to read it?
no
Okay.
and
The top, to look for the paper in the top drawer. From where? From right or left?
right.
Okay. Okay, go.
Yes,
Go. So which one? Which one? Okay. So what's that?
chocolate.
Tear it off. It's fine. Oh, so what's that?
Chocolate.
Show to mommy. So you see, that's what you will get if you read it good. Very good. Say bye to mommy.
Bye.